Concur, Mr. Russell. There are many forms and variations of the arm drag. Tim's got his hands up, beautiful little sweeping. There's scenarios where he has my wrist control. I'm using his grab as a pull. We can hit these little blocks. We can fall down, come up. Many forms of the arm drag, so understand that. This is very basic that we're doing today, but a great intro. So building off what we have, V, okay? Make sure our thumbs are on the inside. This fat hand grip. Once we come here, guys, we're gonna go to the hips. This is kind of loose control. Make sure you still have this connection. I'm making this connection, holding the hips as I sit down, attaching my butterflies just above his knees, and I'm going to kick out and pull his hips towards me. Tim's going to be very wary to not headbutt me in the face. Already ugly enough. Okay, from here I still have my hip control. I'm going to release one. Throw over my overhook, put a seatbelt on, I'm going to put in my hooks. We're going to end right here. This seatbelt, guys, we can go gable grip, or I like to go a little deeper, get this butterfly grip. I think it's stronger and it takes up more space. This gable grip, I can hug him, but he can also move around. I just don't like the space. I like coming here. Gable grip, butterfly, something close. Play with it. We're getting here. Hooks, we're ending right here. Connected. If your guy, everyone's about the same size. 11K might need this, but if you need to bring your guy a little deeper, hit this little booty walk. Now look how low Tim is. So, get that optimal choking position. I think we're all similar in size though. So we shouldn't need to hit the booty walk for one last time. There, take my arm drag, my cable grip on the waist, go into the hips as I sit. Seat belt, hooks, hooks. One thing we can do to make these hooks easier, guys, I'm gonna roll over my right hip, my left hook. Roll over my left hip, my right hook. I'm gonna end right here. Let's do it. 1, 2.